For the signal flow graph shown in figure 1.2, the value of C of S upon R of S is 4 answers given. We have to find one of them. Let us use the Mason's gain formula. C of S upon R of S. Numerator is forward path. Gain products are forward paths. Only one forward path. That's why the numerator is G1, G2, G3, G4 multiplied by delta I. Delta for the graph which is not touching the forward path. There is no such graph. That's full. Delta I is 1 divided by 1 minus sum of gain products of individual loops. What are the individual loops? This is one individual loop. This is another individual loops. This is third individual loops. Loop 1, loop 2, and the loop 3. Therefore, the loop 1 gain is minus G1, G2, H1 minus loop 2 gain is G product of loop 2 gain is G3, G4, H2. Loop 3 is minus G2, G3, H3. Then any non-touching loops are there? Yes. Loop 1 and 2 are not touching each other, but 1 and 3 are touching. 3 and 2 are touching. Therefore, only non-touching, two non-touching loop is 1 and 2. The product of the gains are G1, G2, H1, G3, G4, H2. Two minus signs are there, H1, H2. That's why it becomes plus. That's all. Therefore, the answer is G1, G2, G3, G4 upon 1 plus G1, G2, H1 plus G3, G4, H2 plus G2, G3, H3 plus G1, G2, G3, G4, H1, H2. That's all. Therefore, here minus signs are there. That's why it is not correct. Numerator is wrong. That's why B is the answer.